Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, air conditioning, front wheel drive, driver airbag, power steering, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.